A multi-million euro Gaelic Games facility in County Mayo is expected to fully reopen by the end of the month after being extensively damaged during Storm Éowyn last year. A new air dome at the Connacht GAA Centre of Excellence was inflated for the first time today as work on the site continues.
Initially built at a cost of over €3 million, the Connacht GAA Dome played host to numerous matches, blitzes and inter-county competitive clashes after it first opened in mid-2020. But activity came to an abrupt halt in January 2025 when the facility was ruined by record-breaking winds over the course of Storm Éowyn. Now, less than 18 months later, a new dome has been fitted over the site, and this morning it was inflated for the first time.
It's an emotional day and a very important day. Like, we've been almost 500 days without it, the University of Galway Connacht GAA Air Dome, and it's great to see this morning at 5 o'clock we took the chance that it'd be a good day and inflated, and here she is.
Located at the Connacht GAA Centre of Excellence in County Mayo, the dome covers a 4G playing surface with state-of-the-art infrastructure to control heat, pressure, humidity and lighting.
We're trying to get back to the pre-levels, getting 160,000 people, kids predominantly coming here to play our games, and our coaches to try and improve them in terms of coach education, and it's huge for us all over Connacht but also all over the country.
The job of refurbishing this site began immediately after the devastation of January 2025. A new bespoke membrane has been fitted to a perimeter wall around the entire pitch, with a number of pumping stations to inflate and crucially deflate the structure should the need arise.
The lights are no longer on the roof. The lights will be mounted along the floor here, so if we're looking at the weather forecast and you can see a big freak storm coming, we have the capacity now to pull it down fairly easily and without much stress or financial implications. That should secure the facility much better.
Work on some finishing touches will continue over the coming weeks. It's expected the new facility will be fully ready for operation by the end of the month. Pat McGrath, RTE News, Bekan, County Mayo.